Hello friends, today we are going to make an easy DIY. For that we would need this type of cardboard to make this shape. Cut a piece of cardboard into 3 pieces like this. Now I'm going to paint the top with white acrylic paint. Then after we are done, we take a brown acrylic color and paint brown acrylic color in the white acrylic color. I put some brown acrylic color on it, and now I'm gonna take a fork and a spoon and paste it over here with hot glue. And we are gonna write it on this piece of cardboard with the help of white acrylic color. After we're done, let it keep dry for 5 minutes like this. We put a fork in the middle and 2 wooden sticks beside the fork with hot glue gun. Like this. A wooden frame, and it looks like this. Do the same with these 2 plates. We are gonna put a spoon on the hot glue gun on the cardboard. So now my photos look like this. So now my photos look like this. And I'm gonna give this to my mom in Mother's Day.